Hello, my name is Boon Chai Ng. I've been teaching in this School of Engineering since 2002, teaching mostly mechanical engineering classes.
Hello, my name is Dr. Kwon. I'm the chair of the School of Engineering.
My name is Gunnar Løvhøyden, and I have been at Andrews off and on for about 20 years.
The engineering program at Andrews has only less than 20 years of history, but we grew so fast thanks to all the great students we had. Our program has been ABET accredited since 2006.
In the School of Engineering, we have 4 different concentrations of general engineering. They are computer engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering.
Strength of our program is that each faculty cares about each individual student. We keep our class relatively small so that faculty can provide ample attention and interact with them.
So we have most of the standard equipment. You get the general engineering degree, and then you have to be proficient from my end on the electrical side. The DC power supplies, function generators, oscilloscopes, and then we have some communication equipment, and then of course some test equipment if you need to test your electronics beyond that. On the mechanical side, that is not my expertise, but we have some CNCs, we have access to 3D printing, we have access to laser cutting, and some robotics.
Now, as far as I know, most of our students graduate immediately after graduation, with some opting for graduate schools. For those who have gone to graduate schools, we know of one who actually make it to a PhD, and another one has actually moved on to become what they call a patent lawyer.
I have a great respect for all our students. They come from all over the state, nations, and ethnic backgrounds. They are responsible, intelligent, and also humble before God. They constantly remind me that how young generations will make the world better. They are truly amazing, and I'm truly privileged to work with such a great people.
I have students coming back to visit years and years after they left. They come back because they feel they belong. As close as you can get to be friends between a student and a faculty, that's what happens. So that's kind of the strength of coming to a small school like Andrews, is that you get access to faculty in a way that simply isn't possible at a large school. And then, as a school, we are one of the most diverse universities in America, and as a department, we are very diverse. I mean, listen to my accent, listen to the accent of the other professors. The faculty is diverse, and so are the students.
If you're willing to come to Andrews to study engineering, our faculties will be more than happy to work through with you for the next 4 years. Your ability to succeed in your career is actually our job satisfaction for us.
Even with the COVID, we are expecting a great number of freshman students this year. I'm truly impressed with their energy and their willingness to change the world. Thanks to future engineers, we are ready to work with you.
So, first year away from home or normal, it's going to be different. You're going to have some tough classes. You're going to be stretched and challenged. So here's the thing. If you are willing to work hard, if you are willing to do your part and work hard, we will help you make it through.